So hello everyone and welcome back to the fourth particular video of this channel, full on coding. And here today we are going to discuss the particular LeetCode problem of 125. It is related to arrays and pointers only. That is the reason why I have taken this particular question, as we have studied in the first lecture about arrays and pointers. So hence we are going to discuss this particular problem 125 only, so that it could be easy for you to understand, and the concept which I have given would be therefore easy for you in understanding purposes. So here, first of all, I will read the question. That is, a phrase is a palindrome if after converting all the upper cases into lower cases and removing all the alphanumerical characters it reads the same forward and backward. Means we are taking all the uppercase letters and converting it into lower case first, then we are checking from left to right, then taking it right to left, and seeing that the value doesn't change, and that if the value stays true, then it is a palindrome number, and if it changes, then it's not a palindrome number. And alphanumeric characters includes letters and numbers, right? Okay, non-alphanumeric characters we don't need to take. So yeah, given a string will be there, return true if it is palindrome, or we will return false if it is not palindrome. So now we will see the first example. A man, a plan, a canal, Panama. True. Why it is true? Because if you reverse it, right, if you reverse this particular thing, if you start from Panama and you go from right to left, you would get a man, a plan, a canal, and Panama. So here we are converting all the uppercase letters into lowercase, and then we are going from right to left, right? Race a car, it is false, because it will be what? It will be Raka, RACA, Raka, and ECAR, car. So it will not be a palindrome. Seeing this, it is true because there is nothing, it is an empty string. So if we remove all these things, like this particular inverted commas, then we will get the particular value, that is nothing, and nothing's palindrome is nothing only, so we would get is a true. So here the constraints are given: 1 less than equal to s dot length less than equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5. S contains only printable ASCII characters. So yeah, let's solve this particular problem, and we will particularly use this string, as string is given to us. So yeah, let's start. We will first put a if condition, like check it if it is particular the string is empty or not, right? If it is empty, then we will definitely return true, as shown in the last example. So we will particularly return true. Yeah, so here the first thing is done. Now we are going to check if the value is there something. So we are getting starting it with int start equal to 0, int last equal to, what we will give, s dot length minus of 1. Yeah, right. Now we are taking a while loop, and we are running it from start less than equal to last. So until this condition is true, we will particularly run this while loop, and here we are defining a particular char, where we will check the first char, that is s dot char at, and the character will be at the starting position, so we are giving start. And next we are defining the character char last. So we just need to change some things only, so I am just copying it only. Char last equal to s dot caret, we will give what? Last. So in the string properties of particular Java, we will particularly get the first string and the last string present in the particular string. So if not of character dot is letter or digit first, then we will particularly enter this loop, and we will give the value of start plus plus. And next we will do a else if, and in the else if part we need to first write the condition, because it is not else like you will just give one condition and the opposite condition of that will run. So in else if what we will give, if not of character, that is dot is letter or digit, is letter or digit, and the variable will be cur last. Yeah, so we will do what? We will do particularly your last minus minus, so that we could extend from right to the left side. Right, now we will give the particular last part, that is the else part, and in the else part we will write if not of character, not of character dot to lowercase, and here will be the cur first, c will be small, cur first not equals to character dot to lowercase, to lowercase, and the value here will be small only, see, cur last. Yeah, so after defining this, we would open the block size and we will do what? We will return the false value. Yeah, after defining this, we will do what? We will do start plus plus, so we move forward in the string, and last minus minus, so that we could move backward now. And if it is coming true, then after this loop we will give return true. So yeah, this is the all about the code of particular valid palindrome string. So wait a minute, it's giving an error. Band operator type character not equals to. Alright, okay, so let me see. Okay, I have given here not, that's wrong, so it should be running now, I think so. So character dot to lowercase char first not equal to character dot to lowercase char last. So yeah, it's now accepted. So it was a minor error which my mistake I have committed. So this was all about the fourth video of this particular LeetCode. Java code is easy to understand, so I write the code in Java for you to understand. If you want any other language to be used in this particular LeetCode series or LeetCode problems, then you can say in the comments. I would really like to glad to hear that and implement in the upcoming videos. So I will see you in the next one. We have solved this particular problem, and I think you will not get any doubt for this particular problem in the interviews or any in coding rounds. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.